The prefectures of Gifu and Aichi, located in the heart of Japan. I came here to see and experience real traditional Japanese culture. More than 400 years old, Arimatsu tie-dyeing is almost like magic. I can't believe I made a pattern this beautiful. I'll never forget my experience here in Seki City, famous for its blades. Learning about sword making that hasn't changed since the time of the samurai is awesome. The sledgehammer was heavy. It's interesting walking around this pottery town. I even got to experience painting ceramics. Kashimo Meijiza is a theater that's more than 120 years old. It's a special place where you can feel what people in the past loved. Traditional Aichi Nagoya cuisine is amazing. Everything's so good, I can't wait to eat them again. I also saw the techniques of skilled Mino Ware artisans. Their stories moved me. One day, I'll definitely be back here in Gifu and Aichi to learn more about its tradition and meet many more people.